Hello, beautiful people. Hope so you all having an amazing day because I'm having an amazing day. Today, we are going to learn constant arguments in C++. In our previous tutorial, we discussed default arguments. So without messing around, let me tell you guys that constant arguments are used for the variables which we want to remain same throughout the program. It actually makes a value stable because it does not allow to change value further during the program. Okay, so let's quickly move towards our Visual Studio to properly understand the use of constant arguments. However, let me tell you guys that for example, the actual constant value for the pi is 3.1416. And it obviously does not change throughout the program because it's a constant value. So we use constant argument for such value mostly. So let's move ahead and make a program. First of all, I will write the basic syntax of C++. Okay, however, I told you guys that I will not tell you the basic syntax, but still I'm writing it. Like makes the font a little bigger. So what I'm going to do, I will declare to initialize two default arguments in the prototype, and we'll try to change both values. However, one of the variable would be constant. So first of all, let's make the prototype. Our function name would be, okay, our function name is, let's say, huge. Our first default argument is, which is also constant here, is a is equal to 99. However, it's constant. And our second default argument is, but it is not constant because I want to show you the difference between them. Okay, b is equal to 12. So let's make a function definition. However, I will write the formal parameter, but obviously I will not initialize again. So I will just write it as it is. That will not initialize. Okay. So I will try to change both constant, but before this, I'm going to make function call and we'll pass only one actual parameter because in case of default parameters, the if you don't write any single actual parameter, then this value will be replaced with the predefined value of formal parameter. So I'm going to just pass a single argument, which is like say g is equal to 18 and y is equal to 78. So here we go. I'm trying to change the value both. So you guys are seeing an error here. Why is there? Why? Because our first formal parameter is constant here, and that's why it is showing error here. If we put our pointer here on the error, then it shows that expression must be modifiable value. However, we put it as constant. So in order to remove error, what we're gonna do, we will comment this error. The error has been removed. However, if I try to see out this statement, what comes up? So in order to run the program, let's bring the screen in its original form and run the program. Okay, you guys can see here that the default value from the function main passed into the function definition. However, the which is 18, obviously a for 18, and the second value which passed from the formal parameter into the function definition was actually 12. However, we incremented this value, so it is showing up as 13. So you guys can see the difference between both of them, and you must be clear about that. However, if you want to increase it the operation a little larger, then I can plus this value into it, some other value which is like 10 here. So even in this case, it's gonna show error in front of you guys. So here it is. You guys can see that error is showing up here in the program, and it's showing the same error. Expression must be modifiable value. So if you guys are still thinking that what's the benefit of constant, then let me tell you guys how, why, and when. It answers all your questions. The constant variable can be declared by using const keyword, like I declared here in the program. Const is a keyword. Again, move towards the const actually means constant, and it makes variable more stable because it prevents the value from being changed during the program. And when we use the constant argument, the constant variable should be initialized when declaring. So hope so it clears your concept about the constant argument. However, if you want to watch our next tutorial, which is very important, so we are going to discuss the backbone of programming actually. We are going to discuss class and objects in our next tutorial. However, if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you want to test your knowledge of C++ or Java, here are two apps, C++ Programming Quiz app and Core Java Quiz. Link of both apps will be in description. And I want to say you guys that don't forget to hit the bell icon because it will notify you as I upload any tutorial. So like always, thanks for watching. Peace.